This 5-minute solution will show you how to mute sound on Reels on Instagram or how to remove background sound from a video for Instagram Reels. First of all, let's create a Reel. I'm selecting a video for my Reel. Here we can see this video has a sound. Now to remove the sound from this Reel video, tap on next. Now tap on this music icon at the top. Tap on controls. And here you will get camera sound. To mute your video sound, just decrease this level to 0. Tap on done. And here we can see this video is now muted. This is how we can mute sound on Reels on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.